How to score good marks in class 12th board examinations. 5 tips for scoring good marks in class 12th board exam. First, compete with yourself. Always try to improve your score from the previous score. Analyze your strong and weak areas and then prepare accordingly. Second, be optimistic. A right kind of attitude is very important as it helps to keep up the spirit and boosts your confidence. Be calm and prepare in a focused manner and you'll ace the exam with flying colors. Third, main books are most important. Often students ignore the main course book and study from the reference book. However, this is not advisable as questions are conceptual and it requires you to go through the main book. Fourth, time management. Prepare a daily schedule and keep track of the time invested and syllabus covered. Time management will also be important on the exam day while attempting the paper. Fifth, practice previous year papers. It's important to solve 10 years previous papers as it helps to get an idea of the questions asked. You might not be able to fare well in the beginning, but practice will help you improve the score gradually. All the best. Thank you.